today, little camera.
No.
You unbox that? No, they have something here for you to unbox. It's right here. Oh no, it's right. Right here.
Okay.
Open here. The word open here.
Okay.
You know how to do it?
Yeah, I know.
Oh, right here. The piece of thing here.
Okay, I know.
Let me pull it out first, and then you check. Okay, go ahead. Both hands. What you got? Just pull all them out. How many?
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They have the 8-pack.
8-pack?
Here.
Oh, there too?
Here.
8-pack, 8 cones. Vanilla?
And I want to eat now.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah.
Okay.
The bottom in the coal.
How's that?
Good.
Yeah? Yummy? Uh-oh. You hit the camera.
Something on it.
Hmm?
There's some vanilla on the.
You did that? What's on the top?
Peanuts. They have the different one that's with no peanuts, just chocolate.
Oh, what's this? Now the vanilla ice cream. Okay, how is right?
Yeah. Because I took the whole peanut.
And AllchitHow, any one of you want the ice cream, come over.
I am.
Oh, your mom home? Okay. It's yummy.
I forgot to lock the door.
You forgot to lock the door? Is it not locked?
No.
Okay, that's it. That's how you eat ice cream cone?
I'm done with the top. I'll eat the cone.
think too many sugar for you today, right? Is right?
Mm-hmm.
You got one cookie from Publix, and now you got ice cream cone.
Yeah, because I like those.
Did you eat any sweet in school today?
No, I only eat the junk.
Oh, junk? What kind of junk?
Pizza?
Pizza?
Yeah.
Wow, pizza is the junk. You want ice cream?
Huh?
Okay, go ahead. Eat. Okay, that's it.
That's it for now.
We'll sit down now.